Deta smoke alarms often trigger due to dust, steam, low batteries, or improper use of the hush reset button. Dust and steam can build up on photoelectric sensors, mimicking smoke particles. This buildup impairs the alarm's ability to differentiate real smoke. Weak batteries cause intermittent chirping, easily mistaken for a smoke alarm. The hush button temporarily silences alarms. Overuse can mask underlying problems. Recent Deta models have smart hush features that alert you via app if the hush function is used excessively, indicating potential issues. First, check for dust. Gently vacuum or wipe the sensor with a microfiber cloth. To address steam, relocate the alarm at least 10 feet from cooking areas or use extractor fans. Replace the battery annually, especially if chirping persists. Reset the alarm by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, plugging it back in, and testing. Remember, treat every alarm as real until verified to avoid desensitization. Consider updating to newer Deta models with improved sensors and IoT integration for reduced false alarms.